Hey everyone, how you doing? First of all, I'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas. I'm recording this, what's the date today? It's the video team?
18th of December.
18th of December. We've got a week till Christmas. It's been a frantic end to the year. We've been recording a lot of content. We've been updating our course, and it's been, a fantastic year. We've grown rapidly as a business. 2018 has been our best year ever. We've launched Flexxable, which is our education arm. Our agency's grown. I've taken the business from, I think, 3 staff up to 7 staff. We're doing content. It's just been an amazing year. So thanks for everyone that's been watching our growth. So what have we learned this year? It's obviously selling leads is the future. So back when I was working with local businesses and selling my services for a monthly price and just working with small business owners, that was a really tough slog. And since we have changed our business model, everything has changed. It's much more scalable, you can grow much faster, and you can make a lot more money, which is why we're in business, right? What else we got? Quality trumps quantity, okay? So if you are generating leads, then make sure that you're getting feedback from your clients and you're delivering them the best quality, okay? They prefer to pay more for a quality lead than less for, hundreds of leads per day. And that's because to work hundreds of leads per day, you need more staff, which means more overheads, which eats into their profit margin. So focus on charging more and delivering less. And another good way to do this is by segmenting leads. So let's say you are generating those 200 leads per day, sell the best 50 onto your best client that will pay the most, and send the other 150 to a client that's happy to work the leads on a back end. They will pay you on conversion or pay you a smaller amount per lead, okay? And once you can wrap your head around this concept, things will accelerate quickly for you. A lot of the times we'll break even on the front end and make our margin on the 150 leads that we're selling on a back end, and this can be very profitable. Second last thing is scientific advertising, right? We're still learning as a kind of media buying agency, but what we do understand now and we've learned this year is that you have to track everything, okay? Track your click-through rates, track what percentage of people are hitting the advertorial, track what percentage are clicking through the advertorial, track the landing page conversion percentage, and do this every single day, okay? And then you'll be able to look back and see what's working, where you're improving, what's not working. And if you don't do this, then you're going to really struggle as as an advertising agency, let alone a media buying agency. You have to track everything. But you know what trumps scientific advertising? What makes a lot of this stuff go away sometimes is the creative is everything, okay? So you might have the worst funnel in the world. You may not be able to track your percentages like I was just saying before. If you have an offer that converts, then it will work on Facebook, okay? The hook and the creative and the way you write your ads can sometimes make a losing campaign into a winning campaign. And that's probably been the mantra of the year for me, okay? We've made campaigns go from losing campaigns to winning campaigns by writing a great ad. Creative is everything. That's the mantra of the year. So, as I was saying, have a great Christmas, Happy New Year. I'll see you in the new year.